Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. Pajibar. Email namin. Hindi mo ko uhaw? Isiran lang kita, gagi.
Isiran ka po.
Ano kasi nakauha? Tumbagin lang po. Ano doon? Detalyin namin yung sarili namin guys. Maglilibot kami ng palani.
360.
Palani 360. Ayo. O ito lang talaga yung aming.
Uy, ano ikaw?
Astig! Naman mo.
Pupot ka ikaw.
Yo guys. Mga idol. Dito na kami sa Binanan. Super easy lang. We are running based on our heart rate. Kasi ayaw namin ma-fatigue. Kasi araw-araw kami nagra-running. So hindi pwede ma-fatigue yung katawan namin. Kasi baka hindi kami makarecover agad. So yun, mag-long run kasi kami ngayon kasi biglaan lang pag-long run. Kasi nga na-birthday kami kahapon. Ang dami namin nakaing handa. So kailangan namin mag-burn ng malaki-laki. Kaya pala ni 360 kami. How are you? How's you feeling? Ganda. Araw na, painit na. Idol Gio Ong said, nature is not a place to visit. It is a home. Yo!
Workout resumed.
So nagpicture-picture muna kami saglit. In-enjoy lang namin yung aming jogging today. Walang goal, just to be happy and we are alive. We feel alive because we are here near in nature. Sarap huminga. Kakatanggal ng stress, pagod. Merong uwak guys. Basi matuka kita sina.
Great! Your heart rate is in the target range. Keep it up.
Dapat dilog mo sila kalayo ko.
Your heart rate is too high.
Dito na kami. Crossing pala ni. Wala pang 3 kilometers.
All the stars overhead give us more to imagine. Eyes wide open, letting in all the magic that's about to happen. There's no end to where we go, endless fields to roam. I know we'll find a place for real that others only dream. Never touched by any soul. There's no end to where we go. so are we, never stopping at horizons, rebels with fire under our feet. Every moment changes something within. There's no end to where we go. Endless fields to roam. I know we'll find a place for real that others only dream. Never touched by any soul. There's no end to where we go. Always wanting to know how far I can go. It's the best.
Ang routine namin sa araw-araw. Mag-jogging sa umaga, gigising na sa umaga ng alas 5, mag-start 5:30. Uuwi ng 6, minsan pa 7. Ngayon first time kami uuwi ng pa 7 eh. Kasi run walk lang kami, tapos picture. Enjoy lang. Para masyadong fatigue. Hindi masyado nakakapagod. Tamang boost lang ng aming energy. Para may energy.